With the new sports car, Volkswagen is highlighting the great potential of the Golf, now already in its 8th generation. In future, this icon of the compact class, produced significantly more than 35 million times, will cover an output range of between 66 kilowatts, 90 PS, and the 320 PS generated by the new Golf R. The Golf is available with a petrol engine, TSI, diesel engine, TDI, featuring cutting-edge twin-dosing, natural gas engine, TGI, as a 480 mild hybrid, ATSI, and with plug-in hybrid drive. This wide range of variations and its both clear-cut as well as contemporary design make the Golf one of the world's very few high-production volume models to stand apart from normal vehicle categories. The new Golf R now reigns supreme as the product line's most powerful model to date. With its drive technology, it tops everything that has been launched with the Golf label up to now. The 5th edition of the sports car accelerates to 100 km/h in just 4.7 seconds. The top speed is electronically limited to 250 km/h. However, the Golf R can also be ordered with an optional R Performance package, which enables the top speed to be increased to 270 km/h. However, it's less the individual driving performance that shapes the character of the new Golf R, but rather the combination of a powerful 420 Nm of torque, cutting-edge running gear and the most progressive all-wheel drive in this category that define a new status quo in terms of dynamics.